In this video, I will show you how to fix a laggy stream on Discord. So, you might face a problem when you're streaming to your friends on your server, on the channel where everyone is, and they say to you that their stream is laggy or is not at a very good quality. And here are some things that you can do to try to improve the quality of the stream. And here are the things. So the first tip is that you have to make sure that the game isn't eating up all the resources from your computer, so the CPU isn't putting all effort to the game and doesn't have any more resources to put to the stream to Discord. You can maybe try to change the screen sharing settings. So when you try and share your screen, now here you have the settings, but unfortunately you can stream at better resolution and frame rate only when you have Discord Nitro. So this is the option. You can maybe try to check for issues with your internet. Maybe try to restart your modem, or try to run a speed test at Google for internet connection. The other thing that you want to maybe try is go to user settings, go to voice and video, and scroll down to video codec, and you want to make sure that both of hardware acceleration and open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems is on, and it says hardware acceleration uses your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding if available. So that will maybe help to run your stream smoothly. And the final tip is log out of Discord, restart computer, and if that all doesn't work, reinstall Discord. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos.